In Africa, a house is never just a house. If you listen closely, the walls themselves can speak of ancestors, of rituals, of secrets written in clay and wood. My people, welcome to Interior Africa, the home of culture, history, and design. Have you ever wondered what makes African homes so unique? From the red earth walls of the Ibibio and Yoruba, to the bamboo huts of the Efik, to the carved wooden doors of the Ashanti, every detail carries a meaning. A meaning of survival, of beauty, and of who we are as a people. Here, we will journey into the roots of African interiors, the mats we sleep on, the courtyards where families gather, the sacred corners where ancestors are honored. Because in Africa, architecture is never silent, it is memory, it is culture, it is life itself. But this channel is not just about the past. We will also explore how tradition meets modern Africa. How young people mix woven mats with sofas, carved stools with glass tables, and clay walls with concrete. This is Interior Africa. More than design, it is the soul of our homes. And remember, not every wall tells the same story. Some speak of beauty, others of unity, but some carry secrets too heavy to be forgotten. Stay with me, and together we will uncover the hidden spirit of Africa, one home at a time. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.